coconuts. It's time for school.
But Dad, I don't want to go to school.
I don't care. Now get in the car before you're late.
Dagnabbit.
That will be enough with that disrespectful behavior. Okay, coconuts. Have a good day. And don't cause any trouble, or else you will be grounded. Got it?
I get it, Dad. See you later. I don't want to go to school. I wish there was a way to stop school from happening. I know. I will pull the fire alarm to waste people's time. Ha 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 ha. The coast is clear. Let's pull this fucker up. Let's get the hell out of here before I get caught.
Coconuts, report to my office right now.
Oh shit. I'm so dead.
Coconuts, this talk is serious. The cameras caught you messing with the fire alarm, and that's why a police officer is here.
Doing things like this is a serious crime. And I could take you to jail. Since this was the first time you did this, you will be head off with a warning.
But you will be suspended for a month. Go home right now. I will be calling your parents.
Coconuts. We can't believe you got suspended from school by pulling the fire alarm. Doing things like this is a serious crime.
And you're so lucky you're not in jail. That's it. You are grounded for the rest of 2023. Now go upstairs to your room right now.